Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we are going to discuss exercise number 4.2, and in the previous classes we did exercise number 4.1 and this was two video, we can check it out. So let us start exercise 4.2. So let us start with question number 1. So there is 5 questions in question number 1. So we will discuss one by one all the questions. So question number 1 is that, number 1, x square minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. And what we have to do? We have to find the root of the quadratic equation by factorization method. So we already did in exercise 4.1 in advance, so you can say. And now so let us discuss question number 2. So this is the question number 2. So we have to find out the root of this quadratic equation. So here the middle term is 1 and coefficient of x square is 2 and constant term is minus 6. So product is minus 12 and we have to adjust the plus 1. So if you middle term is, if you factorize it, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6 and 3 1 is 3. So we have to adjust 1, 2 2 is 4 minus 3 will get 1. So you can write 2x square plus 4x minus 3x equals to 6 equals to 0. So from this 2 term we will get 2x, x plus 2, and from this 2 term minus 3, so x plus 2 equals to 0. So x plus 2 is common from this 2 term, and here it is remaining 2x and minus 3 equals to 0. So now we get two factors. So from this two factor we will get the value of x. That means from this term we will get, so we can write like that, x equals to x plus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So 2x equals to 3 and x equals to what? 3 by 2. So minus 2 and 3 by 2 are the two roots of this quadratic equation. So now we will discuss question number 3. So coefficient of x square is root 2 and constant number is 5 root 2. And so if you multiply 5, here nothing is there, means 1 is there, 5 1 is 5 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 5 2 is 10. So but we have to adjust 7. So 10 you can write 5 2 is 10, but and 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So you can adjust by this pair. So root 2x square plus, you can write 7x, 5x plus 2x and 5 root 2 equals to 0. Okay. Then from this 2 term we will get common x and remaining root 2x plus 5, and from this 2 term we can take root 2 as common. So here remaining root 2 into x and root 2 is common. So you can write 5. So this and this remaining common, root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 equals to 0. So root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5 by root 2. And from this factor we will get x plus root 2 equals to 0. That means x equals to minus root 2. So these are the two terms, minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. So now we will discuss question number 4. So let us simplify this. So we will take 8 as a LCM. So 8 to the 16x square and 8x minus 8x, and this is 1 equals to 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equals to 8 0. So now this is in the form of quadratic equation. So we have to factorize it by middle term factor. So here the middle term is 8 and coefficient of x square is 16 and constant term is 1. So 16 1 is 16. But 16 is, you can write 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16, but 8 to the 16 we cannot adjust 8. and you can write 4 4 to 16 and 4 plus 4 become 8. So you can write 16x square minus 4x plus 1 because minus 4x and minus 4x become 8x equals to 0, and from this two term we will take 4x. So we'll get, it is remaining 4x minus 1, and from this two term we will take minus 1. So 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So but from this two term we will take 4x minus 1 and remaining 4x, and this remaining minus 1 equals to 0. So from this factor we'll write x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 1 by 4, and here 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 1 by 4. So the root of the quadratic equation is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 for question number 4. So now we will discuss question number 5, and this is the last question in this video. So let us solve it first. So this middle term is 20 and coefficient of x square is 100 and constant term is 1. So 100 into 100. So 2 5 are 10 and 2 2s are 25. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4 is 25. 5 4 is 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so you have to adjust 20. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5 are 20 and 5. But 20 and 5 cannot make 20. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 5 are 25. This is also not can get 5 5 are 10 and 5 2s are 10 also. So 10 into 10 100 and 10 becomes 20. So 100x square minus 20x, we can write 10x minus 10x plus 1 equals to 0. And from this two term we can take 10x as a common, and this is becomes 10x minus 1, and from this two term we can take 1 as a common. So 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So from this two term we can take common 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So now we have to find root of the equation from these two factors. So 10x minus 1 equals to 0 means x equals to what? 1 by 10. And from this factor 10x minus 1 equals to 0, you can write 1 by 10, x equals to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So we discuss this 5 question of question number 1 in this video. So solve this math properly and practice this math. So tata.